Hello, HikariKnight here. In this video I will show you how to make OpenGL work in RuneScape on Linux computers using Nvidia Optimus. All links can be found in the description. If you do not know what Nvidia Optimus is, it is basically a computer that automatically switches between an onboard Intel graphic card and a more powerful Nvidia graphic card, depending on the task you are doing on the computer. First, you will have to go to the Bumblebee project homepage. If you already have Bumblebee installed, skip to the Install Primus section of the video. To install Bumblebee, first select your Linux distribution. In my case, I'm running Linux Mint, which is based on Ubuntu, so I can use the Ubuntu install instructions. Once you have selected the Linux distribution, just follow the instructions. For Ubuntu, it is as simple as copying 3 lines into the terminal and press enter. Now that we have installed Bumblebee, we can install Primus. Primus makes OpenGL work in RuneScape, because RuneScape uses custom OpenGL bindings that does not work with the opt-run command in Bumblebee. Primus works differently. So in this web update article, they tell us information about Primus and how to install it in Ubuntu and other Ubuntu flavors and in Linux Mint. So for Linux Mint and Ubuntu flavors and in Ubuntu, all you have to do is scroll down to how to install Primus for Bumblebee in Ubuntu, and this is for 12.04, 12.10 and 13.04. So just copy this line into the terminal, press enter and enter your password and add the repository. Then run sudo apt-get update to update the repositories, and then finally run sudo apt-get install Primus to install Primus. If you are using the 32-bit Java on a 64-bit Linux install, you have to install the 32-bit libraries for Primus 2, and you can do that with this command. For Arch Linux, there are links to the packages for Arch Linux in the OR repositories. Now that Primus is finally installed, you can start RuneScape through the web browser by opening your terminal and type in Primus run Firefox. You can replace Firefox in the command with any web browser that you prefer to use. If you are using the RuneScape Unix client for Linux, which is an unofficial port of the RuneScape client, you can open up the RuneScape client settings and enable automatic use of Primus run in the script. That concludes this community support video. Have a nice day.